Welcome back to Travel Show Live. It is all about families. There's only one person that can talk families, and that's Emily Kaufman, the travel mom. How's it going, Emily?
It's going great, thank you.
I've missed you.
And I've missed you too. I'm so happy to be with you at this beautiful vantage point.
Thank you very much. Yeah, we pay a lot of money to have this location, and actually it's all fake. It's done on green screen. We're in our basement, but no, just kidding. All right, now we need to talk about the summer because we may be thinking, okay, we've got our families, we've got the Crumb Munchers, we're going to theme parks. I just got back from SeaWorld, and let's talk with SeaWorld. Let's start there.
SeaWorld is a wonderful family-friendly place to go because it really matches what I call everybody's family values. We're looking for a place where we can have some meaningful quality time with our families, have an educational experience with that fun family getaway, and stretch your travel dollar. And right now, SeaWorld, through the end of December, if you go online, you can purchase a child's ticket for just $5. Now, normally that's $73, but they're doing a special where you can purchase the ticket for $5 and you designate where that $5 donation is going to go to one of the various wildlife conservation funds. So it's a really great way to have a fun visit to SeaWorld and go ahead and make a contribution.
Now, is this just in Orlando or is it at all the SeaWorld parks?
No, all of the SeaWorld parks are participating in this, and you can get those tickets and learn more at SeaWorldCares.com.
And I like the idea that you can choose which conservation program, because SeaWorld spent a lot of time and energy and effort selecting the programs that they want to participate, and you get to help pick that.
Absolutely. As the travel mom, I completely know how committed SeaWorld is to making sure that all of the marine life and the oceans are as healthy and strong as they can possibly be. So I think this is a really great way to marry a fun family vacation and do something terrific.
Absolutely. And when you go to the parks, so one of the things I like most about visiting SeaWorld down in Orlando is it's easy to traverse with children.
It is so easy to get around with kids. And I'm going to tell you, another one of my travel tips is to make technology your friend when it comes to traveling. Print your tickets online ahead of time before you get there so you don't have to wait in line. And if you're going to, say, Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay, they've just introduced something really cool with a text messaging system. Right when you arrive, you can get the information to opt into a text messaging option, and you can find out about how long the waits are at various lines. They can even send you on a scavenger hunt. So it helps you to maximize your trip when you're in Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay.
What's also very interesting to me is SeaWorld and the other parks see, 50 million people a year, yet when I was there on a weekend day, a peak day in the middle of the summer, it seemed very, it didn't seem like there were a lot of people there, even though it was a full day.
They do have a fantastic flow to them. They also have some other parks around SeaWorld. Aquatica is a wonderful water park that's got something for every family member. I'm not one to go on crazy huge rides, but I will go on those big raft rides with my family. There's stuff for little kids, teenagers, and everybody. So SeaWorld is so much more than simply just the SeaWorld Animal Park. They've got the water park as well, and lots of thrill rides in the SeaWorld park too.
And Manta in Orlando. Have you ridden that yet?
I have. Manta just opened about a year ago. And
the official thing, you kind of go like this, right?
Kind of go like that. You're kind of flying in the Stingray. It's a very cool thing. You can check that out at SeaWorld.com and learn a whole bunch more about Manta, the thrill rides, the technology, everything.
How young is too young to visit SeaWorld with the kids, in your opinion? I realize it's your opinion, and that's very important.
My opinion is it's up to each individual family, which is the right age to go. I'm a big believer in making sure that your children are enjoying the experience, or at least defining who the experience is for. If it's for mom and dad to watch the kids go and have this, then you can start younger. But if you think your kid is really going to take something away, you've got to be the judge of what they're prepared for.
Very good. Emily, thank you very much for doing this.
Great. Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. We'll continue right after this. Stay with us.